Hello, friends. In order to empower our system, Eclavia Universities, to achieve its ensured objectives, we have incorporated 18 attributes in our system. All these 18 attributes contributes for your enlightenment in this domain. Actually, this list is not for showcasing and all that. Just after completion of 2 days of your study on the system, you can realize that all these 18 features are incorporated in the system. Actually, you must have the knowledge of all these attributes. Then only you can understand what benefits you can derive out of these 18 attributes. That's why I want to give you a briefing about all these attributes. The first one is zero base. Actually, if you consider the number of IT career nature of IT career aspirant, majority of IT career aspirants are from non-IT stream. And number two is, even if they are from IT stream also, they underwent a course of college oriented. That means examination and marks oriented. They never knew the career oriented. Career oriented means employability. Knowledge, skills, and abilities are required. So we made it as a zero base in order to make the entire training a generic. Even a school goer also, if you have enthusiasm, you can follow the system and ultimately you will become a programmer by himself or herself. That you have to understand. That's why zero is a realistic base for any task. After zero only, if you start from zero, thereafter you proceed 1, 2, 3, 4, n. Ultimately, you can reach the destination. So, we made it as a true zero based system. You may find n number of higher end systems, but you cannot find any zero based system, especially in IT placement training. You cannot find any zero based system. That's why I wanted to make it as a true zero base. We don't expect any programming background from you except your enthusiasm, endeavor, and commitment. Okay, so that is very important. That's why we made it as a zero base. Next one, in home. Actually, this is true online training. If it is classroom training or in person training, it is limited to few dozens of people or few hundreds of people, but it cannot be universal, it cannot be generic. In order to provide it universally as a generic system, I have developed, and in this I have developed it as a pure in-home training. This system enables you to transform your study room into virtual classroom and virtual placement center. So whatever skills, knowledge, skills, and abilities you require to transform as the industry ready candidate, everything you can get from home, in home. Huh? Simply your enthusiasm, endeavor, and commitment are required. Third one, single window. Actually, in order to transform yourself as a industry ready candidate, you should have multiple skills, multiple set of knowledge. That's why all that we want to provide through a single window system. So service are books, video lectures, programming skills, soft skills, certification, etc. All these skills we are providing through a single window. Actually, if they are provided by the multiple systems different by developed by different people, integrity is missing. If integrity is missing, then your confusion is multiplied. That's why through a single window we are providing you 6 type of services which are required to transform yourself as an industry ready candidate. Thereafter, scratch to end. Actually, we are imparting training from the scratch to end. Already I told you it is zero base, and if you provide partially, then there is no use. So we have to provide you everything what industry is expecting from you. So this we have developed as a scratch to end system. Thereafter, student friendly. Actually, students, all students are not alike. If you classify them according to their standards, you can find three, four categories and all that. So, actually, if you are able to identify what is the student friendliness, hmm, then and if you are able to provide and all that, actually every student is interested to study. If he does not, if he cannot break the shell, he develop a diffidence towards the subject. So that's why we made it as a student friendly. Everything in his standard, in his language, we explain from real life. That's why it is totally made as a student friendly. That you can experience that just 2 days of your study make you to realize this fact, doubt free. Actually, a doubt is an obstruction in our study. If you are really interested also, if you continuously face several doubts and all that, which are not resolved, which are not solved, then obviously you lose interest in the subject. Then you may prefer for by hearting or some other alternative way. So we made it as a doubt free, 100% doubt free. If you have to feel a doubt, you have to make a research. This statement is not out of my overconfidence. Why? It is totally doubt free. Here, number one is I am not from a computer science discipline. Number one. Number two is I have incorporated my learning process into my system. My learning process and anybody's learning process is one and same. That's why there is no scope for doubt in this system. If they don't have doubts at all, then then your study will be like a smooth sailing. It is a cakewalk, and you develop a lot of interest in you towards the subject. You start enjoying the subject, then ultimately it leads to enable you to master the subject. So you can trust that 100% doubt free. And one more challenge I am throwing: if you have to feel a doubt, you have to make a research. Next, self motivating. Actually, online training, one big drawback is there. In classroom, around you, dozens of students are there. Then you can share your problems, you can share their knowledge and all that. Online systems, that facility is not there. Normally, you are alone. You feel loneliness. Here, motivation is very much required. I can achieve, because how we can motivate a student means result. You must get instant result. Today, if you start subject today itself, you must be in a position to understand concepts, and you are in a position to apply your knowledge, to transform your knowledge into skills. So in that way, results in the system, earlier results, and then they create, they provide as a driving force, and they create a self motivating force in the system. And self mastering, the name itself, Ekalavya. Ekalavya is an icon for self-reliant and self-mastering. So, although this actually computer science, especially programming studies, are should be in the Ekalavya system. Actually, you should educate by yourself. You should master the subject. Ekalavya system is the right system for programming studies. We adopted these self mastering ways and all that. First, you understand the concept, immediately you work out in programs, ultimately, you transform your knowledge into skills. Gradually, you transform your skills into abilities. So, in that way, we have incorporated many self mastering features in the system. Thereafter, application oriented. Actually, this is application oriented study. Programming studies means application oriented study. Simply, if you have knowledge and all that, you may teach, you may write examination, but you with the only with the knowledge, you cannot deliver or produce any services for the IT industry. So, totally application oriented uh, subject. That's why whatever knowledge you acquired through your study, you must transform that knowledge into corresponding applications. That's why we made it as 100% application oriented study. Actually, for your information, if you start with the C language, you start with a workshop. Just within 2 days of your work, you will be in a position to write solid C basic projects. We don't expect any programming background for that. That's why we made it as completely application oriented studies and training. Thereafter, international standards. Actually, what are international standards? Very many people loosely use this thing. Actually, if you compare our college standards and international standards, there is one great difference. In international standards, actually they focus on three elements. The first one is conceptual command. Each and every concept in the subject you should master. You should master each and every concept in the subject. Every concept in the subject is like a link in the chain. It is like this. You should frame the knowledge like this. As you know, the strength of the chain depends on the weakest link. Understand? That you have to keep in mind, and you have to concentrate on each and every concept in same fashion and acquire same standard of knowledge. That is, first thing is conceptual command. There is no room for selective study or random study or precise study. You must study each and every concept until you own that. How you are able to explain your personal experiences, and you must be in a position to explain any concept which is asked in a fluent manner. Understand? So, first one is conceptual command. Second one is presence of mind. If you have perfect knowledge also, timely it does not strike to your brain, there is no use at all. So, it tests presence of mind. Third one is IQ. Your intelligent quotient plays a vital role, especially in programming domain. That's why international standards focus on mainly on the three elements: conceptual command, presence of mind, and IQ. Thereafter, meticulous monitoring. If you blindly study and all that, you never know where you are, what extent you learnt and all that, you never know. That's why we are through a learning management system, Ekalavya learning management system, we are providing meticulous monitoring system. Actually, in that, one first of its kind model we developed. Entire placement training, the finishing program, we have divided into 1 hour study units. 1 hour study units based on the video lecture. It may not be exactly 60 minutes, it may be 50 minutes, sometimes it may be 60 minutes, 70 minutes. So, one study unit we made out, study unit. For every study unit, we are providing ebook and unit test. That means whatever you have studied now, you study, you understand the concept. Thereafter, whatever programs are there, you work out. Thereafter, by studying the ebook, thereafter you write the unit test, and you can get instant result. Actually, in every conventionally, a chapter is a unit. Chapters means if you take any textbook, any subject, then some chapters are too big, some chapters are too small. That's why chapter you cannot take as a unit. So, in the for this purpose, actually, in order to develop a meticulous monitoring system, we have dissected entire subject into 1 hour study units, and we are providing three elements to you. So, and you can plan your studies also. Suppose entire placement training consists of 500 units, let us say 600 units, 600 units. Then you can plan. Actually, 4 months time you have given, that is the ideal period. 4 months, monthly 120 4 months 150 concepts per month, per day 5 concepts. Like that, 5 units you can focus. And one thing, you can monitor At least this week I have to complete 20 units means you can monitor, and at the same time instantly you are testing your knowledge. That is the unique feature of this thing. Meticulous monitoring system we are providing through this LMS. We are providing you training, monitoring, and certifications also. Thereafter, test and trust. Actually, without testing, we never trust in our real life. If you purchase a mobile phone or any apparatus, immediately test it for all its functionalities, then only you can trust it. Here, this is a matter of career. Without testing your knowledge, how can you proceed? That's why, through mainly through this LMS, this approach we have introduced, test and trust. First, test your knowledge using international standards. Thereafter, you trust that, okay, I am good at this. Then I proceed to the next. Now, the 13th feature, 13th attribute is shorter. Actually, after completion of an engineering of 4 years, again, for the sake of acquiring employability, if we have to study another 1 or 2 years means people are not interested. The basic thing is people are not interested. Where they have no interest, then you cannot achieve any progress. As I told you, inversely, where you can enjoy, there you never tire. Where you are not interested, you cannot achieve any progress. That's why you made it as a very short term program of 120 days. If you are a full time preparator, full time means what I am expecting one third of the day, 8 hours a day. That 8 hours also not at a stretch. If you divide into 4 sessions like 7 to 9, 10 to 12, 2 to 4, 7 to 9, like that, 4 sessions if you dissect and work for 120 days, you can complete this placement training successfully, and you can acquire all these certifications, and 100% you will be transformed as a IT industry ready candidate. You, nobody will be superior to you if you take into consideration of other candidates who are competing with you in job market. Never be superior to you. So such type of status, just with the endeavor of 120 years, you can achieve. Thereafter, affordable. Here, forget about affordability. We are providing everything free. We are providing entire all these services, whatever I am explaining and to be explained, everything as online service. We are providing you freely, and if you want to download ebooks, and you can download, and we don't charge anything. This is absolutely free. No terms and conditions are applicable. So I want to make it generic, because many people are not in a position to afford the cost of computer studies. That's why I want to provide this as a totally a free service. Finishing program. Actually, you must understand what is finishing. A raw diamond also even not finish, then it is nobody can recognize it. It looks like a glass stone. After finishing only, one can understand its real value, and then only it is evaluated. Okay, then only one demand is created. So we have developed as a complete finishing program. An engineering graduate is like a raw diamond. So through this finishing program, 120 days, he is transformed as a finished diamond, and there will be demand for his services. Understand? So we made it totally a finishing program. This is totally, as I told you many times and all that. This is, we have redefined career-oriented studies in order to transform a raw diamond like engineering graduate into a finished diamond. That is the finishing program. Integrated course. Actually, if number of courses are more in the finishing program, psychologically people are overburdened. That's why we have developed an integrated programming course, that is integration of 3 languages: C, C++, and core Java. Actually, analytically, if you observe that, you can find these are not three languages. These are one family of languages. One family of languages, and there is a lot of commonality among the languages. Actually, you can treat C++ as a better C. You can treat core Java as better C++. There is so much intersection among that. Why should you study them as three languages? That is my question. If you are studying in colleges, you may have C in first semester, you may have C++ in third semester, you may have core Java in fifth semester. Then there will be no option for you. You must study them individually. But this is a finishing program. You are studying the languages for acquiring knowledge and skills. That's why you need not study them individually, and you can study them as an integrated programming language. This is my brainchild. It is unique in the world. Because of that, you can derive number of benefits. The first and foremost benefit is you can save 40% of the learning time, and at the same time you learn three languages, and many other benefits you can derive out of that. This is as a result of the integration of three languages. Thereafter, certification. Whatever knowledge, skills you have and all that, those are invisible. Others do not have that much time and capability to test your knowledge. That's why you must have certifications. Certification is a hard copy, it is a testimonial for your knowledge and skills. So, we are providing certifications through our LMS. Actually, here not only certification, we are already I told you, we provide unit test, module test, subject oriented test and all that. So, after completion of this, we conduct final certification examination for every language. C, ECCP, Ekalavya Certified C Programmer, Ekalavya Certified C++ Programmer, Ekalavya Certified Java Programmer. Like that, Ekalavya certifications examinations we conduct, and we can provide you certifications if you pass the examination and all that. All these certifications are developed, certification examinations are developed using international standards. And one more thing I have to tell you, for a engineering graduate, this certification OCAJP, Oracle Certified Associate Java Programmer, this is Oracle certification. This is the nearest certification for engineering graduate. This is very valuable certification. We have this, it creates a lot of exposure to you, and number two is you can face any interview or examination very easily. So, our ECJP, Ekalavya Certified Java Programmer, our certification was developed at par with the standard. So, if you pass this certification in the first attempt, you can pass this examination also. By that way, you can achieve international standards as well as certifications. Thereafter, placement assistance. Okay, now because of all these attributes, you got everything. Thereafter, you should be placed, you must be in a position to choose an employer of your choice. It is not at the mercy of any employer. Actually, in industry, any industry, not only IT industry, a good employee is the real asset. Any employer may purchase plant, machinery, buildings, etc., etc. But purchasing a good employee is not so easy. So easy. That's why a good employee is the real asset of the any company, and based on his services only, company grows. That point you have to understand. Because of your knowledge, skills, and abilities, you can make your position indispensable in an organization. Actually, many people they are afraid of employer. You need not do that. Your employer will be afraid of you because your position is indispensable in your in the organization. If you are terminated or if you leave, you cannot get an alternative for you. That point to understand. A simple piece of knowledge simple piece of expertise make your position indispensable in your organization. So we create a platform for you, Ekalavya placement platform. Through that, we provide a exposure to you, and in turn, you receive calls from the companies, and they may conduct examinations or interviews and all that. And because of all this training, you can face them successfully, and ultimately you will be in a position to choose an employer of your choice. Then you will be blessed. And we strongly feel that one person is placed, one family gets support. In that way, through our system, we want to serve the society. We need not move from our campus. Without moving from the campus, through this online training, we can transform raw diamond like engineering graduates or equivalents as the industry ready candidates, and by that, we are providing them an employment, as well as we are developing them as prospective leaders or prospective managers in the IT industry.